why type 1? We talk about type 1. There are other types out there that companies market and that they choose to focus on, which is great for them. But why type 1, and why would you think that type 1 is so amazing, or why it should be a really high focus?
Well, it is the main focus because type 1 collagen makes up 90% of the connective tissue in our body. It makes up the majority of our bone mass. And we don't talk enough about collagen and bone. And then, of course, it makes up our skin. So the other cool thing is that the body uses type 1 collagen peptides to increase all types of collagen in the body, including type 2 and type 4. So you don't need to add type 2 because you're already going to get type 2 because the body's going to take that collagen type 1 peptides and make what you need from it. The other thing is that type 1 is used to stimulate elastin production. Now, elastin, just like the word sounds, is elastic. So the more elastin you have, the less sagging of your skin that you have, and your skin is smoother and tauter. And the other thing is that type 1 is used to build bone cells called osteoblasts. And type 1 collagen is also a great protein, high quality protein source for muscles and tendons. So why would you need to have any other type when type 1 is going to be used by your body to make the other types anyways? And often a lot of products are put together just for marketing. They're not really designed for the action that's necessary in the body, and this formula is.